Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a game, I guess. First I need to fix this Twitch thing. I need to drag out the chat. How do I do this? Yeah, it's awesome. Make a game. Yeah, something. Okay, I think I don't need this. Where do we have my chat? Yeah, this. Okay, great. Yay! Please write something in chat if you can hear me and if it's good. Let's set up some music. What was it? Last FM. Yep, like this. Oh yeah. So, let's go. Let's launch Unity and create a new project. It will be 2D game. Let's change this to something more regular. Like, where is my Unity folder? Oh yeah, whatever. Let's make a new folder. Unity projects. No, I have one. Where is it? It's here. Yep, select. And it will be Legacy Assault thing. It's a game I already started making in another engine sprite kit, but soon I got a roadblock that I couldn't overcome, namely spaghetti code. This is my bane, because, yeah. Let's make a folder structure for this. Scripts. Music. Art. Prefabs. Yeah, this will do for now. Okay, so what is this all about? Let's see. That's my that's my folder. I will show you something. So basically this is a game like Nimble Quest, where you something like this. So basically it's improved Snake, where you go, you destroy enemies and get bigger and bigger Snake. There is a game Nimble Quest. Basically I want to clone it in Sky-Fi setting. Yeah. So you get the idea. Now we need to find some art, ships. I don't know which looks nice. That's not very nice. Firefly. Yeah, I like this. Let's make a basic ship. I don't know which one. Maybe this one. Yeah. Setting filtering to point for pixel art. This way it doesn't get anti-aliased, and this is true color apply. Yeah, let's see. What scale do we need in this? Well, a tad too big to my liking. Let's try changing it. Maybe, I don't know, 64. Oh, it's 128. Actually 128 looks not bad. If it's like, yeah, I think it will do for now. And let's make it player ship. Prefabs, yep. So now we need terrain or something. Here it goes. Finished art. Tiles. Platform isn't too nice. Lava looks good. Decent, at least. Let's import some. So, create folder tiles. Lava. So I want ground, the edges. So basically, all of this. Oh shit. Yeah. So we need to set this to 122. This will be points, true color, apply, and let's try this. So our size is scene ground. Let's see how big it is. Well, original. What's up with music? Oh, it's starting. So I need to find out what size grid I need. Let's try this. Oh, looks cool. So oh, it's 1 unit, exactly 1 unit. This is pretty great. Let's set up snap settings 1.1. Snap all axis. Yeah, and actually for this I will make a prefab. For this I need to reset transform, and it will be lava ground, lava, actually ground, lava 0. Prefabs. Yep, like this. Okay, let's make a plain field. What we need to do, just drag it here and hold Ctrl, and that's it. Let's make an empty game object to store this. It will be level container. And let's go and reset its transform. Yeah, like this. And add all of this as children to here. So now we can move level container and not each separate tile. Yeah, let's make it bigger. Oh, something is wrong here. What exactly? Reset. You see, it doesn't fit. Why? Why it doesn't fit? Jesus. Let's see. 0, 0. Oh, here it is. Here is the place where it all went wrong. Actually, it will be easier to just delete them. Yeah, here it's fine. I guess I let go Control for a second. So yeah, now we just will copy the whole segment. I hold Control while dragging. So, oh no, is it over? Yep, this is bad. What's wrong with you, man? Why are you doing this to me? Somehow. Oh, maybe our snap settings are bad. I guess so. Move Y1. Scale. Oh, yeah, this should do. So basically. Yep, ideally connected. Looks great. So Control D to cooperate. Now I want everything. Control D and Control drag. And again. The level is getting pretty big. Actually, I might try other tiles, something. Well, whatever, it will do for now. So I need sorting layers now to position all of this in the order I need. So for now we will have the level, tiles, player. Actually, this could be objects, but yeah, player will do. Player. If we adjust this to level tiles, will it change here? Yep, and this will change to player. Yay! Let's make a folder for scene. Scenes, and this will be level 0. Yeah, that's it. Well, yeah, looks decent. Well, maybe not too contrast, but it will do for now. So let's add other parts of the art. So from this side I need the wall left thing, so I will just prefab it. Reset. I'll call it ground lava wall left lava. Yep. Let's reset the transform, set it to level tiles, and make a prefab. Yeah, something like this, and now we should just position it. And I will put it into the container and just duplicate it. Yeah. Well, here we will need the corner tiles, but whatever, we'll do for now. Okay, so the same for the right wall. We will drag it here, change the sorting layer to level tiles, reset the transform, so our prefab is at 0, 0 when we need it and not at some arbitrary position. Let's call it whatever it's called. Wall right lava. Wall right lava. Guys, if you can hear me, I would really like you to write something in chat. It would make me feel good. Yeah. So prefabs. Here is. Oh, you see, that's what happens. This is wrong position. I will delete it. Reset. Save. And now I will make the prefab. Yeah, 0, 0. Now we can drag it duplicate, paste, duplicate, paste, duplicate, paste. Yeah. Wall down. Setting, wall. Down. What was it again? Prefabs, wall, down, lava. It's 0. Prefab it. Yep. Reposition it. And put it here. Duplicate some. And here we go with our level. It looks not bad. Oh, this is... I don't need this. And for the up, this takes some time, but well, that's the price you pay. Tiles, wall, up, wall, up, lava, and set this to zeros to our sorting layer, save it, and drag it into prefabs. Now we can position it as we need. Yep. Duplicate, paste, duplicate, move, duplicate, move. Yeah, this looks kinda decent. So now the corners. Let's check out the corners. Tiles, lava. Actually, let's check if Twitch is working. Twitch. Yay, looks like it does. Excellent. Let's go on with this. Oh, more right down. Tiles, reset. I'm Batman. Yeah. Wall right down. Actually, we can name it wall. Right angle lava. Yeah. Perhaps. Yeah, that fits pretty nicely. Oh, a bit tedious job, but should do it someday. Whoa. Where's this? Right angle top lava. Actually, that's not right top, that's left bottom. Wall left angle lava. It's reset. Prefabs. Yeah, should do the trick. Bam. And it fits quite nicely. Well, actually, you could have. We could just rotate them, but it doesn't work in some other levels, so my designer just did it the old way. So, the top, where are the top? Oh, I didn't make it. Actually, let's try doing both top at the same time. No, go away. Reset. Tiles. Some music is going on. Next, please. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's nice. 0, 0, 0. We should wall left angle top. What was it? Oh, wall right angle lava. Left angle top lava. A bit cumbersome names, but whatever. Fits me. I don't care really. Well, I'm all for the readable names, so. Wall right. Right here. Wall right angle top lava something reset level tiles prefabs and now go to your place. Yep. Yeah, so we got the level. Basically this is our level. Oh, we can spice it up a bit with different ground types. Let's do this ground. Reset. Level tiles. Oh, is it the same? Let's see. No, it's a bit different. Prefabs, ground, land, lava 0, ground, lava 1. Lava 1. And prefab it. Now let's take out some and replace them with our lava. Oh. Yep. Where is our ground lava? 1000. Well, let's take it from prefab. Okay, it is. Control D. Please come here and here and here and here and here. Oh, this looks better, but still a bit samey. Let's try with other ground 3. Oh, this needs to be moved into container. Well, actually container is a bit too crowded now. I might do subgroups with it. Let's see what's here. Play, please. Next. No, why? But I'm registered. Please log me in, dude. Log me in. What was that? Maybe this? Yeah. Yay, it works. No doom. Oh yeah, I like this. So the next ground 3. Reset. Level tiles. Ground lava 2. Ground lava 2. Prefab it. Delete it. Yeah, now we need to spice it up some again. Well, with pixel games you can't really Well, we will see how it goes. Crowd power. Is it the same? Yep. Yeah, it looks a bit samey, but whatever. I don't really want to distract the player with the background. Yay! Let's reposition our camera a bit. Well, that's not good. I need it to be smaller, maybe 3. Yeah, this looks a tad better, just a tad. Let's add some lava around the level. This lava pit, I guess it's something inside. Yeah. And this is something outside. Set tiles. Oh, lava. Let's rename it outside. And I think we should do a folder for this. Lava. Not very original, but whatever. Yay! So now do I have it? Yeah. Now let's just clone it all over the place. There is something extra here. One, two. Yeah, this one. So this. I like it since it universally suits everything. We should clone a bigger part. Do this. Yeah, let's. I'm holding down Control to clone a bigger part. Yeah, like this. A lot of tiles. Really a lot. Well, I love Unity for this because when I tried to do it in SpriteKit, my last engine, it was so kinda hard because you needed to code this. There was no level editor. Actually, you could write one, but no thanks. If I can do it in the Unity window. Not going to write it if I don't really need it. Let's see. No. Yeah, something like this will do. So there is a lava all over. A bazillion of tiles. Yay. Nobody writes me, this makes me sad. Okay, let's go about moving this little guy thing. Well, it will have, let's write a script. scripts. Script. It will be. First, we need to move. Then we needed to change facing. We need it to be controllable by the keyboard. So the first thing will be, I guess, movement. Well, I don't want to make one huge player script. This kinda defeats the purpose of OP. Well, let's go with player controller and try to limit this to movement. Yep. And apply this. So now we need to move. So, main thing will happen in update. We will probably have something like velocity, public vector to velocity. This will be the vector where we're going now. We will also need facing. Well, let's keep this for now. We will also need, well, speed, yeah. Public float speed. Actually, let's limit this to int. Speed. Well, velocity and speed are the same. I'm retarded a bit. Yeah. Let's do this. Velocity equals new vector 2. Let's go with moving to the right. It will be positive x 0 y 0 y, and yep. And in the update, let's just move it to the right. Transform position equals new vector 3. X velocity times, actually, transform y position x plus time times velocity dot x. Well, we should just copy this. Y plus time delta time velocity y, and we won't change that, so it will be transformed. Why is it auto change into this piece of transform position Z? So what this does, it just moves us a little bit to the right each frame. Yeah. Yay. Actually, I don't want this. I want it to change in here. So it was too fast, let's go with 3. Yay! We are moving. Now what we need to do is make camera follow it. I'm not sure how you do this. We might add camera to player ship for now. Yeah. And center it. Jesus. It was wrong thing to do. I guess this is -10. Yeah. Yay! Our ship is moving through the wasteland and boom, it should destroy here, but whatever. It doesn't yet. Let's see what we can do about it. I like the velocity, but I don't like getting heading from velocity. Well, that's life, I guess. You can't have everything. In update, I will need to check for the buttons. Let's do the function update input. Private void update input. Here we will do all our input stuff. So let's go with WASD controls for now. If input get input get key down, this registers only once when you press the key down, and it doesn't shoot until you release it and press down again. So it shoots only once, and the method get key, it triggers each frame when the button is pressed, so we just need the key down. Key code dot, let's start with W, I guess. So here we need to change our direction to moving top. Well, to do, well, let's add more. Else, and this will go for D, S, and A. So these things, they just change the vector of our movement. Let's see, if we are moving to the right, if we press down, we want to change the velocity to be actually, let's try this. Public int speed. This will be the actual speed that, and this might be private. Yep. I know there might be some bugs now here, but whatever. Speed, let's go with 3. Will it work? It shouldn't work. Yep. So here we will go velocity equals new vector 3, vector 2, speed 0. Yeah, this should work. Yeah, it does. So what we do here, well, first we need to get current state. We need heading, and we can get heading from velocity. Let's write separate function for that, and we need actual enum. What was the syntax of enum again? In C#. Enum C#. Yeah, I see. Heading. And this will be north. Actually, yeah, north. East, south, and west. And if Well, like in the basic snake, if we are moving to the right, we can't press left and go to the left. So we need to check the heading at this moment. Let's go about it. Private void. Is heading change valid? And this should be bool. So, and we should go about this private heading equals heading east. Well, this kinda doubles itself, but can't really find out what to think. How do I fix this? Well, let's go as is and refactor later. Is heading change valid? This will return yes if we can actually change, and false if we can't. So this should take heading. Yeah. Heading new. Can't use this. Target. So switch target. Actually, if target equals, let's do bool, result equals false, and in the end just return result. If target equals heading, no, not heading. Return. Oh, we don't need this. We will auto false. Let's do this return. Well, I don't want it to be like this. If target, no, if heading equals heading east, if target equals heading. So if we are going east, we can go north, heading north, or target equal heading south. Result equals true. Well, if I have many checks like this, I don't want them to continue going. We will see. So if heading equals east, we can go north or south. We can basically do the same. Else west. Don't even need to change anything for west. Else, if we are going north, we can go only east or west. East or west. And if we are going south, we could only go west or east. Result equals true. So yeah, if we somewhere set true, this won't work and we will bail out. Turn result. So do we need this? Not really, but return. Result. So we bail out right away. Let's see. So when we press W, we should check if is change valid. No, heading. Code here. And we need to do the same cases. Go here. Oh, missing one. Runs. So if we change heading valid and D is east. S is south. And A is west. North is southwest, yeah. So we are basically checking if we can turn, and if we can, we do the change and stuff inside. We could put it here, but I like it more this way. So heading equals, no, not this heading, our heading. Heading equals heading north, and our vector should be velocity equal new vector 2. So if we are going north, we are not changing here, and we are gaining here. So speed, yeah, something like this. If we are going south, oh no, yeah, let's do the south thing. If heading south, and our velocity should go negative speed. And so now if we want to go east, we should change X to speed. This should be 0, and this will go be east. And the last one, actually I want to move this. And the last one is west. West minus speed. Well, this should work. And transform position. Yeah, this should be okay. So let's try it. What does Unity think about this? Yay! I'm pressing other buttons, but they do not work. So for example, if I press east now, nothing happens, but north it is. Let's see. Looks cool. It works just as intended. Can't go the opposite direction right away. Now we need to change the animation. Actually, let's set up the colliders now, maybe. Yeah, let's try. So, the player ship, the level container. How do I go about this? Let's add physics to the box collider now. Polygon collider. Oh, edge collider. Let's go with edge collider, I guess. And I need to change this. Yeah. Like this. looks good. How do I add a new one? Actually, I think edge won't work because I think you can't add more points to this. Yeah, it's like an edge. Oh, you can. How do I do this? I see. So, now I need to make a new one. Jesus. Please let me do this. Why don't you let me do this? Yeah, looks good. Yeah, making colliders is fun, as you can obviously see. I wonder if it will work. Our level is huge, kind of very big. Yeah, this looks fine. Well, yeah, a bit tedious, I guess. Now we need to delete this, or just move it. Well, it's not bad at all. So we got our edges. It's Valuota. We got our edge. Let's add the collider. We should add the collider to our ship. Let's make a box. Yeah, total for now. Something like this. So we need to apply. We need to have it write us something. Let's make a trigger maybe. And write the actual code for collision detection. So I don't want to flood my controller. What can we do? We can make a new script that will collider. Collider or something. Well, so yeah, we put it here. Let's make a private box collider 2D box collider box call start box call equals game object get component box collider 2D and avoid public void on trigger enter to the collider to the other. Not forget debug. Not log. We collided. Let's see what's happening. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's assigned, but its value is never used. What do you mean, man? This. I'm not sure if this should trigger from this, but might. Let's go. Nothing triggers. Why? Why do this to me? Player collider. Let's check it out. On trigger enter to the send when another object enters a trigger collider attached to this object. To the physics only. On trigger enter to the collider to the on trigger enter to the collider to the Why? Trigger enter to the not trigger it. Let's see our stream on Twitch TV. Twitch, please. How's it going, guys? Oh, none watchers. I'm pretty excited, guys. Let's see our stream. I'm pretty excited. Twitch. Not sure if you are not writing anything or my chat doesn't actually work. Something. Could you please write anything in chat so I see if it works? So, what's up? I was using script I hadn't looked into for some time and changed it to kinematic. Needs steady at the end to be capitalized. It is. On trigger enter to the. Why do you do this to me? Maybe our collider should be triggered too. Where's our console? Show me the console, please. No, it doesn't work to appear. Let's check it out again. Oh, they might be on different layers. Let's add a layer. Let's name it collidable. Oh, layer collidable. Yes. And this should be collidable too. Collidable. Yes. No. Nothing, nada, zero. Why? Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Hey. Hey, Gadia. Thank you for writing me. So. Has a rigid body to it. Oh, I never understood this. Why do I have box collider and I also need a rigid body? This doesn't make much sense. No, I don't want to be affected by gravity. I want to be fixed in angle. Yeah, whatever. Now please work. Yeah, it does. Do I need this here? Player collider, yeah, we collided. Let's replace it. Die. private void guy. Object destroy game object, please, so I don't get out. This will make us disappear magically when we touch the. Yep. Oh, our camera disappears too. Not good. Not good at all. Well, whatever. It's okay for now. It does what's it's intended for. So we go and yeah, game over for us. Well, now we might go about the player and its animations. What do we got here? We got finished art, ships. Look, I got some beautiful ships here. Do you like this? It's 3 upgrades of the same ships. So basically it starts like this, and then it goes into this, and into this. So our ship is called Firefly thingy. And we should input all this into Unity. Actually, I don't need second upgrade. So just the first one. Upgrade 0, upgrade 0. Let's please. I want it. Yeah. Where is it? Examples. Start. Ships. Firefly. View. Where is view? Yeah. View. Temple. Upgrade 0. This. Let's add create folder ships. Actually, player ships. Create folder Firefly. And let's just dump it here. Well, this really should be done with sprite sheets, but it will do for now. So we got the right. So let's make animations now. This will be the right way animation. Actually, this one too. Yeah, face right on these tiles. Let's drag it here. Let's call it right idle. Actually, we won't have separate attacks. They are attached externally, so these are all the states we will have. So this will be right 0 state in the upgrade level, and I will go with small. Actually, big one will do. Right 0, save. Let's see. Oh, I didn't change the value. It should be. Let's wait now. Wait, please. So what's our player ship? 128, I think it was. Yodak. Yeah, 128. All of this needs to be 128. Apply. Please be point. True color. Apply. Yay. Oh, yeah, that's good. Let's go about making the animation. Yeah, just drag and drop it. Right 0. So my player person camera. Let's see. Let's temporarily change speed to 0. Where is our speed thingy? Speed 0. Thanks. Yeah, look how cool it is. Oh, Jesus. I love this. Yeah, I seriously love it. So, with our animations. So, right, we will have the certain animations here. So, right is done, let's do the left. Correct, looks correct. Left 0. Let's go this. Clear play, please. Yeah, looks fine to me. We can delete it now. Left. This will be down. And this will be up. Did I miss it? No. Up. 0. Let's put into player. Yeah, it looks decent. But go away for now. That's mass. Create folder. That's right. We don't need you really now. Just go away. And we don't need 2000 controllers. Just one will do. Which one? Well, delete. And we'll rename this to light animations. So, right, left, up, and down. What's up? Yep. So this will be right, down, left, and up. Let's take a look. Entry. Now we need to link. We need to link the animation state to the actual change in. How do I go about this? Well, I might make some setting. When it changes, I might change the heading. I'm not sure if it's the good way. It will be all to all. So we can go from any state. Position up, position left, down, and right entry. You can go away, please. And the trigger will be parameter does not exist in controller. Yeah, we should add something. Oh, we can tie this to heading thing. Not sure it can be done, but we might try. And it will be animation heading. So if we change this to something like equals 0, equals 1, equals 2, equals 3. So again, so we translate to the right when we are equal to 1. Conditions plus condition heading equals 1. change to up when we are at 0. Animation headings equals 0. We change to down when it equals 2. And we change to left when this animation heading equals left is 3. Let's check at 3, 2, 0, 1. Let's like this. Might be easier to click on them. So, and we need to actually set this thing. Player sheet apply. Set this animator. Yeah. So now we need new. Actually, let's format this better. Publics will be first, private later. Private animator anim. Actually, I skip writing it like this because of the auto-completion that always sets the class name and not the variable name. Not sure why it does this, but it always does. Let's start. We should grab the animator. Anim equals get object get component animator and we might tie the animation to the heading setter or getter, but I don't like this. We might do it manually for now because side effects in setters and getters is a dark way to do it. Let's go. So, heading is this probably should be first. Anim set int integer. Oh, wait, why set integer? Wasn't it the name? Let's check it out. I know there is a nice way to do this yet. Where are the methods? Animation controller states. Transitions. Nothing. Scripting API, Unity engine. Rendering classes. No, not rendering. Animation controller something. What's it called? Animator. Animator, please set int. It was set integer. Its name. Yeah, just screw this, go with name. And the name was animation heading, animation heading. And this will be heading. Does it work this way? Well, I don't see why it doesn't, why it shouldn't. So this. Actually, this looks kinda neat, so we don't need to change this code. So here we just add this. So each time we change the direction, we also change the animation. Let's see if it works. Well, I'm not really expecting it to work right away. What's up? Set string int. What's it you don't like? Oh, I see. It doesn't want to convert num to int. Can I do this in C#? Num to int C#. Because in Objective-C it's, and in C that I work, it's basically the same thing. So, oh, I see where this goes. Might not be too safe. Yeah. Should work as implicit conversion, my ass. But that's what you get if you are in safe language like C#. int. I guess it's not bad, but whatever. We just need it to work, please. Yeah. Now, please, give me all I want. Basically too fast. But doesn't matter. Where is our speed? 3. Whoa, it changes. It changes. This is amazing. It runs way too fast. Way too fast. I know there is some property where it looks for FPS. Please animate to do. Actually, I need the controller. Yeah, where are you? Maybe. Oh, yeah, here it is. Length 12. How do I change this? Open. 12 FPS. No, it's all wrong settings. Let's see. How to change FPS in animation Unity. Yeah, please. Speed property of your animation state. Easier said than done. Oh, I see. Speed. That's left over. Why do you do this to me? So up speed. Where is speed? Why? It was here, right? It was here, right? Yeah. So I have the speed here. I do. Let's, I don't know, decrease it. 0.25. Is it saving? Let's play. Yeah, it looks smooth. Why doesn't it change right away? Ah, I know. Because it has these stupid animation changes. Where, yeah, this transition 0, please. Be so kind. 0. This means we should change right away when we press the button, when the value changes. Yeah, now it looks super smooth, but it doesn't animate. What's up, man? Why don't you animate? Maybe it's not set to be looped. Oh. Loop, please. Enters. How do I open you? Speed. So the controller, animator. Open. No. How do I loop you? Loop pose. Maybe this. It will be up. No. What did I change? I changed the transitions to be right away. What's wrong with you? Let's see. I think it might trigger some wrong state. Let's check it out. You just stopped, man. You just stopped. Isn't animating. Animator, please. Maybe the speed is bad. Right default mirror. Why don't they open loop time? It's set. Loop time. Let's try it again. So, save, play. No, it just doesn't want to animate. I guess it might have something to do with this. That we change this. So, right. Settings, transition duration 0, transition 0, can't transition to. This pisses me off a bit. It's just maybe because the time is too little and it does it like this. Maybe if I change this to where is it? To something like this. I don't like it. It looks stupid. No, still no why. Maybe the state? No, it positively changes because the actual sprite facing changes, so we know that it changes, but why it isn't animating? Maybe I can't see it? No, positively not animating. Why do you do this to me, Unity? Why? Please don't do this. Let's see. Oh yeah. So animation not looping unit. I don't even make a new. Oh, Jesus, it was working just now. Let's see again. I will want to check the. Yeah, are we changing the heading at start and on each change? After we changed it, it should change here. Like from any state, we can go to different states. When equals 1 equals 0 equals. What's up with the thing? Please work. No, it doesn't want to work. Something should be wrong here. Maybe if we change transition of set 0. So from right to right. Not sure whatever this means. Why? Okay, whatever. I will fix it when I have the time. Let's see what we can do. What else can we do about this? So basically we're colliding. We're moving. Yeah, the most interesting part. Wait. Time. Actually, we can see this thing. Let's do this. Let's change the speed to 0. Apply. And let's go to the meter. Please don't not maximize. And then meter. So what I state we are in? Right. Oh, you see. And if we press up, it doesn't move. It stops on the beginning. Why is this happening? Speed maybe, and the speed is too. No, total not speed. So food. What is this? Food IK. Mirror. Transitions. So from any state we can grade you up. Maybe has exit time. So it's animating now with exit time thingy, but that's wrong solution. I just want you to go and be right. Thanks. Next time just leave up left. How do I delete one of these? Because it's done. 0, please. If we set this to 0. The one of them doesn't disappear. Why? Transition. Next time yeah. Actually, this is so long. Now I need to animate. But uber slowly. Speed 1. Let's see what happened. No, speed 1, it's fine. Oh, maybe this motion loop time. So I changed the speeds to 1, but it doesn't react instantaneously. Why is that? Let's see. From any state, for example, to left. Exit time is 0, but I guess that's because of this thing. Because there should be none. So for example, if we are transferring to left, we should be exactly at 0 and transfer to left. What this does is a big question. Let's take it somewhere around here. So this is the solution left. Yep, let's try it. No, it's still not instantaneous. Why, Jesus. Let's open the image. Yeah, left is doing good. Do I want to separate this? Jesus, animator, please go away. So here I will press left. The game. It waits for completion or something. Yeah, it does. I don't want it to wait for completion. Let's see how we can change this. Transition. Any state. Okay. Oh, maybe this. So, to the left. Yeah. If I don't give it exit time, it just stops. Uber helpful animation system. So it has exit time. This goes to left. Transition source, transition duration 0. I'm not sure what's going on. Yeah, let's just be slow for now. Player ship, speed 3, fly, play. Not too smooth reactions, I guess. Yeah. Let's go about picking up extra things. We will need a new script for this. So there it is, basically the snake. So I can pick up another ship and it will follow me, and I can pick few of them. So I will fly and the ships will follow me. For this I will need a new script. I'll call it snake element. Something like this. I will edit. I will actually need another ship. Let's move it. I don't need camera here. Second ship, and I will want third ship. I don't need them. Third ship. I don't want them to be connected, to be controllable, so I just remove all this stuff. Player control. Remove. And on the third one, I will remove this too. Remove component. Yep. So about the positions. Second ship will go. Third ship will go here. They got the velocity, so they will basically go and ram into the wall, I guess. Oh, why is this happening? Oh, because they... I'm not sure why this is happening. I just... I didn't try. Player controller... Player controller... Yeah. So they're basically stuck. And I did collide with them. So I want to add this to them. To all three of them actually. I will use this script to control the movement of the ship's information together. Have this snake element script apply, please. Now we can have three types of elements: head, middle, and tail. What the head does, it just behaves like usual, like it was single. And what will I do? I will generate waypoints on the first head, on the head, and pass them down to the followers, so they should pass these waypoints too. This way I will keep on the heading and positions that I need. I will need class, it will be vector heading compound. Basically what this does, I will use the list of these components to store them in list, and since I can't store both heading and vector on the same list, I will put them here. That's called composition. They will reside in this class: public vector to vec. Yeah, vec will do, and public heading. Yeah, this will be. Actually, this can be vector. Vector heading. Yep. Here I need to know if I'm head. Public will is head. I also need a list. Public. First I need to import the headers using system collections generic public list on vector. Jesus, this makes me sick. Why do you do this to me? Spelling error. Heading. Die, please. Yeah, thank you. Create script. So vector heading compound. Let's go with this. New. I need only two variables here. You and you, and I do not want to. Yeah, this is a simple class. What's wrong with you? Why don't you like it too? Why you do this? Public vector 2 this. So this vector. So on start I want to need this waypoints equal new list vector heading compound. So now I got the waypoints. If I'm head, I want to store the place where I pressed the button. So what I do, I will need info from player controller in here. Maybe I will have public element, public method here, public save waypoint, and it will take a new heading, maybe new heading, adding new heading, and it will take transform, actually vector 2 box. I might grab the position from the game object itself, but I think it will be cleaner if we use it instead of some applied thingy. So now we will need to store private snake element, snake element. Yeah, snake element. This away. Snake element equals game object get components snake and I predict race conditions in here somewhere, but what can you do about this? Nothing. So we got the snake element, and when we change this, we need to save it. Snake element, save. Please save now. Oh, public void. Save. Please save waypoint, and we transfer heading and our position. Transform position. And since this method is only triggered on this method, all the script is figured only on the head element, I just add this to all of them. So we got the points going. Save waypoint. What will happen here? I need the snake element that is right behind me. Actually, I might use the list of all snake elements behind me, or just the one behind me. I think for the ease of use, one behind me will do. Private, public, snake element, next element. Actually, what next snake element? So when we save a point, we saved in our list waypoints add new vector heading component. Oh, I forgot that. Public. The constructor of this vector heading component takes vector to back and a heading. Why does it like vector 2? Okay, whatever. So vector equals Jesus. Show me what's wrong, please. Vector is less accessible than. What do you mean? is less accessible. What does this mean? Oh, because it's private. Yeah, I know this. Public formatting, heading, where is it? This should be public. No, wait. Public filtered. Not sure what it wants. Inconsistent accessibility parameter type heading is less accessible than method. I'm not sure why it wants public here, does it? Player controller dot heading. Field type heading is accessible. Maybe I should public this. Yep. Guess so. Private. Yeah, I'm not sure why I should even public this. Because I thought it was by default. Well, guess not. So what's going on here? Are we vector equals? Please stop this. Back. Head, heading equals head. Try all the errors. So it works just fine, but it's right here. Why? Maybe it wants me to. Not sure what's going on here at all. So, snap element. New vector heading compound. Vector. Save waypoint. So this basically pause, and this is okay. So we just had the waypoint. Why is it red, please? Stop it. Let's save it. Close. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Mono. This is this. Yeah, so now we edit the waypoints. And we do not need this because we'll already passed it if we're ahead. But this won't be called on head. Yeah. So we added this to us, and we need to add this to next make element waypoints. Next element save waypoint. Save waypoint and just send the heading boss. Yeah, so the head changes direction. This exact point is getting sent to the next element when it is saving our waypoint to his array, to his list. It continues sending it to next element. We should probably check here if next snake on not default now. So if there is actually next element. So yeah, that's it. Now. So now we need to move according to the waypoints. How does this happen? we just move according to our velocity. What is it? Yeah, this velocity. This. Oh, transfer position. Velocity. Same thingy. Let's add velocity in, I guess. Private vector to velocity. Velocity. And I also need to get speed somewhere. Well, let's just hard code this for now. Well, I do not want to manage heading. Oh, but I should. Yeah, I wanted to keep managing heading on the snake elements that are not hit, but they should animate anyway, so yeah, I will have to do this. Public speed, public int speed. So they're basically the same. Let's see it. Animator, snake element, nothing can move it, only snake element. Let's do this 3. This 3. Let's see how it goes. Dudes, you need to move really. Vector 3, transform position X. Oh, the velocity is now triggered. Velocity equals new vector 2. Speed 0. So it's always going east or to right. So let's see. Yay, guys! But now you collided between yourself. How do I prevent this? I might set them to different levels, but I want them to be collidable. I know. Attack, maybe. No, this should be an easier way. Yeah, let's just take them. Tag, control, tag, add tag. Player ships. So this way I will check for the collision. Where is it? It is somewhere. Collider. On trigger enter if other game object tag is not equal player ships. Oh, actually, I will make it better and do this. Return if it is equal to player ships. We bail out these threads. Yay, we do not collide anymore. And they don't too. But why? Because they don't have the collidable script on them, because I removed it by mistake. They're collidable. That ship, second ship. Bam, bam, dead. Yep. What's going on here? So, we saved the waypoint, send it to the next guy. Now we need the guys to move according to the waypoints. Here we will make a clause here. If our waypoints count greater than 0, this means that we should handle moving to waypoints. If we do not have any waypoints, we should go by our velocity. Velocity heading and all of this. So, if waypoints more than 0, we should find the next waypoint and move to it. We also need the current waypoint. Let's do this. Yep, it's a mess again. Private vector heading compound current waypoint. So this is the waypoint we're going to. And we want this to work at all if we are head, if is head, we just bail out. Because if we are head, we do not want to be moved. We do not want to move by waypoints. We just want to bail out of the script, out of this script's update method. So waypoints come greater than 0. If no, I will do this the same. And current waypoint. And current waypoint equals no, this is wrong. If we do not have current waypoint, we set it. Current waypoint equals waypoints 0. The very first waypoint. Next, transform position equals new vector 3. We need not new vector 3. Move towards and current transform position. Target is the waypoint, current waypoint. Why don't it count? Current waypoint dot vector. Now vector 2 towards. Position does get promoted, downvoted itself. I don't know. It should. Current waypoint vector and max distance. This is tricky. Max distance. Int max movement equals, actually not int float movement equals speed by time, delta time. That's the maximum amount we should move in this frame. Move towards transform position and movement. Yep, like this. So we have a point, we move to this. But we can be in a situation where we move by 10 pixels and waypoint is 5 pixels away. So we need to save those 5 leftover pixels and proceed to the next waypoint. Jesus, that's kinda hard. Okay. Distance float distance to waypoint equals vector 2. You know what? If I just change everything to vector 3, won't it be? Well, it might or might not. Vector 3 distance and plus distance between our current position and waypoint. Current waypoint vector. If our movement is greater than the distance, this will be handle leftovers. Actually move, then handle leftovers, and else if we're safe to move. So if movement this frame, movement this frame, but if it is less than distance to waypoint, actually it could be movement, we should move this frame is greater than distance to waypoint. We will handle this, but if it's smaller and it's just fine, we just move towards this movement. Now we need to handle this tricky case. So first of all, we delta distance float delta distance equals distance to waypoint. No, movement minus distance to waypoint. So this is the amount that we go from the waypoint towards the next waypoint. Delta distance movement this frame minus distance to waypoint. Now how we need to find the next point. Current waypoint? No. If waypoints 1 not equal to null, we should move the leftovers here. Jesus. First of all, let's move we just move movement this frame minus distance. Wait, I'm a bit confused myself. So if we are moving, for example, 10 pixels and only 2 pixels to this, so we should move by distance to waypoint. So we move the distance to waypoint, and we are on waypoint now. And we now should move by the delta distance. If waypoint 1 not equal, actually there should be, if it is not equal, we will move again, but instead we will move to waypoints 1 vector. We will move from our current position to the second waypoint, and this will be delta distance. Yep, yeah, this is the difference. but if it is null, else bad things happen here. Let's log debug, log error. You need to handle 1 second waypoint, no second waypoint. Actually, I know how to handle this. I need to remember this. Okay, so after when we pass waypoint, we need to change our heading to. When does this happen? This happens when we change this transform position. Yeah. So basically, at this moment, yes, I'm a bit confused. Let's draw. Paint, please, paint. So how it goes? This is follower. This is head. This is the movement we want. So the waypoint is here. Waypoint. So if we do move, and if we need to this, and if we calculated that we need to move this distance, this frame, first we go up to the here, and this happens here, and we should actually change the facing after we're here. So transform or not heading equals. Do we have heading even here? Speed public. Yep. No, we don't. Public heading. Heading equals current point. Yeah, so we had the heading to the east, and when we approach here, we change the heading to north. Then we move leftovers towards here. If we have a point here, for example. If we don't have a point here, we are getting to this shitty place to be. And we need to manually move here, but we really can't, because we need to recalculate the velocity vector again. Gibus. Well, okay, let's do it. If heading equals heading north. If we are heading north, we should velocity equals. We have this somewhere around here. Yep. Velocity equals new vector 2. If I go north, it will be 0 speed. Yep. Else if heading equals heading east. Actually, let's cut the velocity equals vector 2 speed 0. Else if heading equals heading south, we need velocity equals vector 2000, it will be 0 minus speed and else heading equals heading west, velocity equals vector 2 minus speed 0. This should work, but I expect this to be rare, very extremely rare if fired. So we transfer the waypoint, we proceed moving to waypoint with delta distance. We should move delta distance because movement is from delta distance, movement is 3 minus distance. That's great. Yeah, this should be good. Also, if we approach here, we need to remove the waypoint 0 later because we're accessing waypoint 1 here. Now, well, if we do this waypoints, remove at 0. Or is it like this? And after this should be 0 too. Now, so we did connect, and we need to remove waypoint. We did. Move now. I don't know. It should work probably, I guess. But Unity is not so simple. Yeah. Now we need to set the next. Is head. Yep, it is head, and its next thingy is second ship. And heading is not actually. Oh, whatever. Second ship. Next element is third. Yep, so right waypoints. Move to them, let's see. Ooh, whoa. What's going on, dudes? What are you doing, guys? Basically, this head. Oh, I forgot to set speed. Oh no, I didn't. 3-3. This head. 3. Next third. Next down. So let's see again. We do G-boost movement is frame speed time delta time. Well, I see. If we don't do anything, they will just destroy themselves. Because, and if I press down, for example, here, they go past the waypoint. They go past the waypoint because something is going on. Whatever. Get out of here. See where the points at. If next link is not save waypoint, and we do save waypoint. Oh, we never update current waypoint. That's why. current waypoint equals points 0. And when we move here, current waypoints equal now. Yep, this should do it. Let's see. No, guys, why do this to me? Okay, let's just. I pressed no, and they just skip like nothing happens. Am I adding waypoints actually? Am I actually adding the waypoints play controller? Snake on it. Do I have the snake on it? Snake on it equals save waypoint. Where is save waypoint? Oh, I don't need waypoints in mine. If I'm not head, I do save this to my list, and yep, not sure it matters much, but well, it works like this. Why does it work like this? Maybe I fucked up vectors somewhere? And why did they connect to each other? See, basically it works, but the distance is too far. What's the speed of the player ship? 3? Let's see the code. What's the code? Vector player controller movement. I need this. Time delta, time velocity x, and element is oh, time delta and velocity. Yeah, I think the problem is removed words because no, not exactly. Not sure what's going on. Let's try again. If we are moving, the ideal is synchronized. If I press down, they just proceed past waypoint. What the fuck? Oh, am I making the waypoints? What's new list? Yep, I am. Speed 0. New list vector heading compound. I am actually making a waypoint. Can I check this? Waypoints at log edit waypoint. Plus to string. This will be in our position. Get no waypoint. Oh, don't need this. Six minus 0. Okay. If the current waypoint equals to null, we do get the current waypoint. If movement this frame is greater on distance to waypoint. Okay, I want to collapse this. No, this. No, transform position, vector to move towards. Current waypoint, vector. On this frame. Oh, maybe something else is moving them. Is there snake element? Black ladder. No, only snake element. Vector to move towards, transform position, current waypoint vector. Oh, I see. We never checked the distance to waypoint. This is transform position. Vector to move towards transform position. From current position to current vector. Something is fucked up. So push down. They don't. Pause, please. Game. Let's see. Oh, we can actually. Don't pause. Oh, great. Let's see. Check out the Say 4.3 minus 3. Can I? Velocity 3.0. No, no. Snake. Next snake wants ships, scripts. God. Go away, please. I need only snake. So, script speed next. Yeah, let's public it. Public. Oh, it is public. What's up? Where is it? Waypoints. No, they do not appear here. Why? Why? Oh, maybe because it isn't edit. No. Doesn't make a difference. Wait, how do I? Well, it half works, but not really. Edit new waypoint. This triggered. Actually, let's continue. They do work, but kinda retarded. Now they follow the screwing. Now they follow it ideally. Well, they do not change the spacing, but I can't blame this. There is no code. You see, now it works. Why? Well, I guess that's time for today. We will continue on Monday. And thank you for watching my stream. That's really helpful of you. Let's see how much people got. 4, yeah, you are the most brigade people. Thank you for watching. I will continue streaming on Monday. You can see the schedule on stream. You are the first guys. Thanks for watching. I'll try to see what's Yeah, so write in chat if you want something covered, if you want something to be discussed. Well, bye guys, goodbye.